Greetings, all ionize. I didn't tape me making my homemade pizza, homemade alkaline pizza. Then I made some for Egypt. I didn't tape me making it, but here's the finished product. Some homemade tomato sauce. I just blended up some tomatoes. That's the rest of it. And then I have some of my walnut meat. Go check that video out if you ain't checked that walnut meat video out. I do have a sauce, tomato sauce on there as well. Go check out that spaghetti squash video. I also have some spinach on there, and I have some onions. So yeah, we did that. I'm about to take it out of the pan. Alright, y'all see it? Fresh out the oven. An alkaline deep dish pizza. Get into it. Get into it. Yeah. Crust is spelt flour and chickpea flour. Y'all get into that. The sauce, y'all seen us make the sauce on our spaghetti, squash spaghetti noodles. On our, what is that called? Our spaghetti squash video. That's the sauce from that. Well, I actually made some new sauce. This is all fresh today. I just didn't tape it. I just didn't record me making it. I was with Egypt. We was making it today. But yeah. And then I got my walnut meat on top of it that I made. Go check that video out. I got some spinach on there. I have onions on there. And I have, yeah, so spinach, onions. I have some mushrooms on there. Y'all get into that. Yeah. Remember, we can make our own crust. We can make our own crust. And that crust that I made, for my sweet potato pie, y'all go check that out. That's the crust. All I added was some, I didn't add no sweetness to it. All I added was onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, you know, like you would a pizza. So this is savory. So make your dough savory instead of making it sweet like the sweet potato pie video that we did. You know, and then I also have some olives on here. So yeah. Yeah, let's cut us a slice. I low-key didn't really want to make a video today, but I was like, y'all have to see it. Y'all have to see this. So that's why I didn't do a step-by-step video today. I didn't really feel like it today, to be honest with you. I didn't feel like it. But y'all see it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's cut us a slice. Let's cut us a slice. Yeah. Y'all see it? That bread is thick though. Let's take a bite of it. And here, this is the rest of the sauce that I made fresh today. Just put a little bit more sauce on it if you want. Oh, it's hot. Fresh out the oven. But this pizza is in the video. Yeah. Y'all gotta try it. Y'all gotta make it. That spelt flour though. It's the spelt flour for me. The olives for me. See the olives? Kamala olives. I'll say. This is a short video. I just wanted to show y'all that.